Hello everyone and welcome to TechMax Solutions. So today's session is about one of the applications that we have created for our client, which is related with astrological industry. So this application is the web version. We have also created the mobile version, including Android and iOS as well. So this is the user interface wherein as a user first time I can register myself by entering all this required informations, or I can use my Google account. For signing process, same, I can use my email address or password, or I can use directly my Google account to sign in. So once I sign in for the first time to the portal, I need to scan my palm, my right hand palm, so that it can generate all the analysis. So before that, I see my basic informations here, like my name, first name, last name, all the information which was added initially during the sign up process. So now for the first time, if I go ahead and scan my palm, I need to click on this button here, launch first scan, or I can directly go here to new scans as well, and I can scan my palm. So once I click here, I get the option to live scan my palm using the camera, or if I'm having any picture, I can upload the picture as well. So in our scenario, let's use the live camera feature here. Here I need to put my palm in a very proper way inside the circle, and I need to capture the palm. So once the palm is captured, it will show the analysis, like the sharpness, is it a right hand or not, or what is the quality of the image. After that, I can process this image request for analysis. So it will ask me for all the details here, my name, my date of birth. Just one moment. If I have any certain questions or any certain parameters, I can select, or I can type it here manually, and once it is done, I can submit it for analysis. So this works with live API. This is not something just a simple scan. These are live APIs from a astrological provider that we are using on the backend to get all the informations, and whatever the processing the API is doing, we will see all this informations live here. So let's wait for the report. Great. So the report is generated here. You can see all the informations here, like the details of all the Rashi and whatever the predictions are made here. You can see all the coordinates, Vedic chart. Now here also we have multiple informations of the analysis report that we can see. Destiny predictions are also done, wherein lucky numbers, lucky color, lucky days, every all the informations are provided here. If any certain stones or what can help as per my what we say as per the chart, so all the recommendations are given here on this page. Or if I need any specific kind of stone to wear, anything, all the recommendations are provided on this page. So this complete report, I can simply export it as a PDF file as well. I can just copy the link of it and share it with anyone, and this can, it will be maintained in my database. So the next time if I go to my home, I see my report here, the last report, and also daily predictions as per the day it is given here. So this is the user interface, and also we have a admin interface wherein the administrator can manage all the users, those who have signed up, and he can also see all the reports or all the informations, maintaining full privacy as per the as per the country's laws and regulations. So the user can also get the premium access to the application if the company is planning to implement a premium access feature as well, wherein if he's paying some subscription cost every month, he can get live call feature, live chat feature, video call consultation, any personalized consultation, advanced reports, more detailed reports like priority support. Whenever he wants any support, he will get immediate assistance. All that features can be available with the premium access. And in premium support also, there is a system wherein every month payment gateway is set up. All the payments will be automatically debited every month until the user wants the subscription as per the terms and conditions, so we can deploy this complete application in the production environment.